To create a brand new project from scratch, you would simply go to the Projects tab and click on the New Project button here at the top. And this will take you to an interface that looks like this. So the first thing you're going to need to do is choose the project stage chart. So let's say, for instance, this is a logo design, and we want to pick an organization that this would be used for, and let's give it a project name. And then we simply hit Create. Now what that does is it creates a brand new project ready to go for collaboration, and it adds you as the default user. It creates a team already with the client or organization that you chose in the previous step, and then you can add any additional people that you want in here. Let's say I have a couple people associated with this project, or I can add anybody here if I wanted to, and I hit update, and then those individuals will show up down here. You can see here that the status updates live with the project here. Any other things you can do, you can set a due date, for instance. Let's say this will be due in about 30 days. And if you want to put some deadlines to the different stages in here, you can go ahead and do that as well. And you can see those due dates show up in here as well, and you'll be able to see the progress as you go through the different stages. And this project is ready to go. One very important thing to understand is that when you create a project from scratch like this, it does not have any estimates and or budgets attached to it. So if you were to go out into the Projects tab here, this time column here will only accrue hours based on team members' time entry and or expense entry. You won't get a progress bar because it's not in relation to an existing budget or estimate that was already approved. So this is how you would create one from scratch. If you had a project that was recently approved, you would want to create it under the Pending Projects tab here, and that way the estimate budgets for all of the items and tasks and whatever you quoted from this estimate will be carried over to that project.